Hey, this is Shane with Ron's CNC Service. I just wanted you to join me today to see what we do back here in the back room. So this is one of our electronic control cabinets here. I do all the wiring right here at this bench and in this area. And that's also our control cabinet that comes with every one of our Green Reaper CNC machines. So as you can see, we take very strong pride in what we put together here. We want all the wires to be neat, organized, and numbered so that you know where every wire goes. Every machine comes with a set of electrical prints that match this setup right here. So rest assured, when you buy a Green Reaper CNC, if you do, heaven forbid, have a problem with it, you'll be able to troubleshoot it down with a little bit of help, and we'll get right to the bottom of it so you can get it fixed. So this is one of our control panels right here on the Green Reaper CNC. It's going to be on the next machine going out the door. I invite you to take a look at some of our other videos that we have that shows the machines running and some pictures of the actual machines. And we look forward to doing business with you soon.